Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas on my YouTube channel Civil Engineers Help Desk with a new video Sooth inches and millimeter relationship. Viewers, before going to start my video, I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Viewers, today we have a very important topic which is Sooth inches and millimeter conversion. Viewers, on practical side, on while execution, sometime we will use this unit Sooth because normal our vendors or normal laborers understand Sooth rather than inches and millimeter. Viewers, what is Sooth? Viewers, remember this, Sooth is a subunit of inch. Basically, it is a British unit. And mostly, while cutting and fixing steel, we will use this unit Sooth, or sometimes we call it Soother. First of all, I will show you a measuring tape and I want you to understand that what is Sooth. Where this is a measuring tape in my hand, and if you look, this is an inch, this is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch. If we take this inch, for example, this is a 1 inch. If you count these subdivisions in an inch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, what you see here, there are 8 division in an inch. If you look about this inch, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's mean in every inch there are 8 division. Viewers, this 8 divisions are called Sooth. 8 division of this inch are called Sooth. So here we get the definition of Sooth. What is the definition of Sooth? The 8 division of inch is called Sooth. Here we get the definition of Sooth. Another thing that we get from this definition is that 1 inch is equal to 8 Sooth. Why? Because here you count it, in 1 inch you get 8 division, mean 8 Sooth. So 1 inch is equal to 8 Sooth. This is very important factor, viewers, because if you remember this factor, you will able to convert Sooth into any other factor, any other millimeter, meter, or inch, or feet, whatever you want. But the basic unit you must know is this, that 1 inch is equal to 8 Sooth, or you may call 8 Soother. But viewers, if we reverse this, if I said 1 inch is equal to 8 Soother, but if I said 1 Sooth is equal to how many inch? So it's very easy. 1 inch is equal to 8 Sooth. So 1 Sooth is equal to 1 upon 8 inches. It's a reverse relationship. 1 inch is equal to 8 Sooth. So 1 Sooth is equal to 1 divided by 8. Dividing 8 by 1, we get 1 upon 8 inches. So if we talk about 2 inch Sooth, if someone said you that 2 Sooth is equal to, you will say 2 upon 8 inches. Or you may also can say 1 upon 4 inches. 2 Sooth is equal to 1 upon 4 inches. Same as 3 Sooth is equal to 3 upon 8 inches. 4 Sooth is equal to 4 upon 8 inches. You may also call it 1 upon 2 inch, half inch. So 5 Sooth is equal to 5 upon 8 inch. 6 Sooth, 6 upon 8 inch. 7 Sooth, 7 upon 8 inch. And 8 Sooth is equal to 8 upon 8 inch. which mean 1 inch. So here we have proved this statement. 1 sooth is equal to 1 upon 8 inch and 8 sooth is equal to 1 inch. That we already prove this statement that 1 inch is equal to 8 sooth. So this is the basic conversion factor between suture and inch. Viewers, now we will move forward and we will convert these things into millimeter, because normally on site we work in millimeters, inches and sooth. So we must know, as an engineer or as a fresh graduate engineer, you must know these little factors, because this is very 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 important for you while in an interview or while execution on site. Now viewers, we will work for inches, millimeters. So first of all, you should know relationship between inch and millimeter. Viewers, remember this: 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeter. 1 inch contain 25.4 millimeter. So if we want to know that 1 sooth is equal to how many millimeter, so don't worry, we know that 1 sooth is equal to, we take this relationship, 1 sooth is equal to 1 upon 8 inches. 1 sooth is equal to 1 upon 8 inches, as I told here. So we are converting sooth to millimeter. So viewers, 1 sooth is equal to 1 upon 8 inches, but we know that in inch there are how many millimeter? 25.4 millimeter. So we put value of inch here. We are working for 1 inch, 1 sooth. So 1 inch contain 25.4 millimeter. I take this relationship that 1 sooth is equal to 1 upon 8 inches. 1 sooth is equal to 1 upon 8 inches. So 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeter. I put value of inch millimeter here in inch, 25.4, and then after calculating 1 divided by 8 and multiply this value by 25.4, we get it 3.175 millimeter. So viewers, this is very 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 important relationship, that 1 sooth is equal to 3.17 millimeter. Viewers, on site this is very important. On while in interview, sometime if any project manager is taking your interview, he will ask this question, because this is very technical question. On site very few people will tell you these things. So now you know, always remember, you do not need this calculation, just remember directly that 1 sooth is equal to 3.17 millimeter, 1 is equal to 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeter, and 1 inch is equal to 8 sooth. These are very basic relationship. Now we will move forward and I will also show you application of this sooth, where we use this sooth. Now viewers, if you know about 2 sooth, 1 sooth is equal to 3.17 millimeter, 2 sooth is equal to, multiply this value by 2, you will get 6.350 millimeter. 3 sooth is equal to 9.5 millimeter. 4 sooth is equal to 12 millimeter. So why I take these values 2 sooth, 3 sooth in millimeter? I am giving you an example. Viewers, if you are cutting steel and you have a bar of 10 millimeter dia, you have a steel bar of 10 millimeter dia, another bar of 12 mm dia. So viewers, if you go towards a steel cutting man, a foreman or a labor or any expert that is cutting steel on your steel yard. These people always understand truth. If you talk with them, they will say, tell us steel value in truth. So that is where you need this calculation. You if you told them cut 10 mm dia, mostly they do not understand. Sometimes some people understand, but mostly they do not understand. You must told them in sutar, because they normally work in suth. So 10 mm is equal to how many suth? You can get from this calculation. There is 9.5 mm, because steel diameter is 10 mm. So 10 mm is approximately 9.5 mm. So we can say that 3 sooth. It's mean 10 mm dia is equal to 3 sooth. We take little bit approximation here, because as you know, steel standard are fixed. You cannot get steel 9.5 millimeter diameter. You always get 10, 12, 8. So we get a little bit approximation here. So you remember this, for 10 mm diameter bar, steel bar mean 3 sutar bar. So same as 12 mm dia mean 4 sutar. You will ask steel fixer to cut 4 sutar bar, he will understand it's mean 12 mm. He will cut 12 mm bar. If you told them cut 3 sooth bar, he will cut 10 mm dia, because these people understand these sutar. They mostly do not understand millimeter and inches. So these are the factors and these are the values that you must know while working on site. And this is very important, viewers, very important for you, because if you are cutting steel and if you do not have knowledge of sutar and millimeter, you do not know conversion factor between millimeter and sutar, maybe you will get loss while cutting steel. So viewers, hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel, and please viewers, watch after watching my video, try to solve by your own hand. If you try to solve these values, these calculation by your own hand, you will never forget. And my mostly videos are for fresh engineers, and some videos definitely are for experienced engineer as well, because learning do not stop if you are experienced or if you are a fresh engineer. Hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload any video. Thank you viewers.